There is so much beauty already there, just waiting for us to appreciate it. But humans, being the cancer, the virus that they are, continue to think that they are superior while they destroy the planet and all the animals that inhabit it. I really don't understand why people buy these Halloween decorations and put them on their lawns. What is the point? How does this improve the world or make anyone happy? Look at the lawn. It was perfect. It was fine. It was green. It had its own little ecosystem in there. And then you came and put this piece of plastic there. Why? What for? How does this make the world a better place? You're going to say it's pretty? Is it? You're going to say it's fun because it's scary. Why? Is there not enough scary stuff going on in your life right now? Are you so privileged that everything is perfect? Don't you actually have anyone in your family who is sick or who needs help or who is suffering? I guess not. Because you actually went out and bought these pieces of plastic and put them on your lawn. You took the time out of your day to get in your car and drive somewhere and put this half cut off foot on the front of your lawn where your daughters live. You thought this would be a good idea. And then the skull of this animal, as if it's some sort of a sacrifice. Talking about zombies. Why is that? Just because something is a so-called tradition doesn't mean it should continue. Next year, maybe you can do something different. Maybe you can just appreciate the leaves on the ground. Maybe you don't need to buy this chunk of plastic, this material, and hook it up to your electricity and blow air into it. Maybe you can just leave your grass the way it was. Leave the beautiful leaves there. Not get involved in consumerism. Not get caught up in what everyone else is doing. Think for yourself. Be kinder to the earth. What would the world be like if this was never created in the first place? How much plastic pollution does all of this cause? What would the world be like if we taught children to appreciate nature and not these man-made contraptions? What exactly are we teaching children by encouraging them to put these things up and to admire them? What is the point, really? Are you able to articulate it in words? What gives you joy in displaying something like this? Are you able to just think outside of the box and leave nature, leave the trees, the grass, and everything just as it is, and not get caught up just because society tells you it's time to put out the decorations? What if you just decorated with things that are natural? Pumpkins, flowers, and left the absolutely stunningly beautiful leaves on your lawn. There's no need to remove them. When you go into a forest, there's nobody raking up the leaves. They're part of nature. Let them be. Let them turn back into the earth and fertilize the soil. Stop intervening in nature. Stop thinking that you can do better. Look at these. Perfectly beautiful, stunningly unique, every single one of them. And no pollution is involved. And the good thing is you can actually eat them afterwards. Or if not you, the squirrels will come and nibble at them. Wouldn't the world be a better place if everyone just thought outside of the box? Go back to your nature. Go back to what's natural. Think about the future generations and the amount of plastic that you can reduce if you just decorate this way. Happy Halloween, everyone. Thank you for trying to be as vegan as possible.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's